Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this stylish Fiat 500X. So this vehicle comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows and rear parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got this lovely half leather interior. Touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.